Hello and welcome to today's Swahili session. In today's session, we'll bring you 40 best Swahili baby names for boys and girls. Selecting a baby name is like embarking on a treasure hunt where you are sure to be a winner. If you are a new parent and you are on a search for a unique Swahili name for your baby, then here is a compilation of the most beautiful Swahili baby names. The name you choose for your baby creates a lifelong impact, and it represents one's individuality and character. So do not be overwhelmed by the suggestion you get from the people while choosing a name. Make the process enjoyable and find a perfect name for your baby. So let's start with Swahili baby boy names with meaning. Kamili means perfect, has no fault. A person who does anything to perfection. Azizi means precious. Ayubu refers to patience and perseverance. Adili means just. Abdallah means servant of God. Bahati means noble. Bakari means a promising and lovely human being. Balozi means ambassador. Baraka refers to blessings. Daudi means beloved. Erasto means a man of peace. Faraja means consolation. Jelani means great and powerful. Rafiki means friend. Simba, it means to be like a lion. Sadiki means faithful or loyal. Tumaini means hope. Kenyatta means jewel. Ahadi means promising or with much promise. Amani means peace. Let us move to Swahili baby girl names with meaning. Mosi means she is the first child. Pili means she is the second child. Tatu means she is the third child. Avana means pretty flower. Afia means health. Dalila means delicate. Kanzi means treasure. Lulu means pearl. Njeri means warrior. Nuru means the one who is born in daylight. Nia means with purpose. Penda means admired, loved, or beloved. Rehema means mercy or indulgence. Tumaini means hope. Tisha means innocent. Zuri refers to beautiful. Shani means a wonderful woman. Ayan means bright. Johari means something of value or something precious which is adored. Adila means honest.